Hello everyone, I am Ijaw-ere. Welcome back to my channel. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. So today I have a beautiful tutorial for you. If you are a baker, a home baker, this will really benefit you. So today I'm going to teach you how to soak your rising and tell you the benefits of soaking your rising before baking. Now let's go. Number one, theory aspect before we go to practicals. Now let's talk about the benefits of soaking your rising before baking. Are you ready? Number one, they become soft and juicy. All right. Number two, no more burnt or hard rising. All right. Number three, they add moisture to your cake. Number four, you soak them in juice, rum, or to add more extra flavor to your cake. All right. So those are the few benefits I'm going to discuss on this video with you. Number one, I said it makes it soft and juicy. Your rising will be very soft. It will not be hard. You know, sometimes when you bake your cake and when you bake a fruit cake and you did not soak them very well, there's a tendency for your cake to be very hard because the rising is going to soak the nutrient, the moisture of maybe your butter whatsoever in the cake, and then since the rising was not plump or it has not been soaked, so it uses your cake nutrients to get so that is why it's good to always soak your rising before baking. What do you use? You can use juice, you can use rum to add flavor and also to soak your fruits. So now guys, I already told you the benefits of how to soak your fruits. Now let's talk about how to prepare your rising before soaking them. Now place it in a very big bowl or a small bowl. Number two, you add your liquid, either warm liquid, which is either hot water, juice, or your rum, all right, for your extra flavor. As I said earlier, your fruit, there's a tendency for your cake to be very hard because the fruit is going to absorb all the nutrients of the cake, all right, maybe your butter, all the nutrients from the cake that's supposed to make the cake soft and moist. Your rice is going to soak that, which at the end of the day will make the cake to be hard. That's what the aspect of the cake. I want to talk about the rising. Imagine you eating a fruit cake, and you are chewing it like a gum or maybe like a beef. It's because you're chewing the fruit like that, and that's because the baker or whoever did not soak the fruit, so the fruit is just hard as it is. Okay. Now let's go to what to use in soaking your fruit. You can use juice, you can use your rum, as I said earlier. Some also boil it. I don't know, but you can use juice, you can use your rum. Now let's talk about now how to prepare your rising before soaking it. How to prepare before soaking it. First of all, to place your rising into a bowl. Please remember, every recipe has its own measurement, so make sure you measure the amount you need for your recipe into a big bowl or a small bowl, depends on the quantity you have. Then you add in your warm liquid, which can be your hot water, your liquid your rum and your juice. Okay, any of them you want to use that will add flavor to your cake and to your rising. Then you soak it for either days, weeks, depends. As a baker, I think it's always good to have your rising soaked down in case, or if not, you can leave it for 2 to 3 weeks for it to soak very well. So in case you use it, it will not be absorbing your cake nutrients or your mixture of your cake. So that's how to soak them for days, and let it sit and plump up. What I mean by let it sit and plump up is they'll get swollen. They've soaked the water very well. You see that they'll be very soft and swollen. So you let it to be at that stage before you use it in your baking. Then the last stage is drain and dry your rising. Okay, make sure you drain them. Like why I said, some people don't drain them, some people just soak them and just pour it, because it's also preserve the cake. So some people just pour it with the alcohol into the cake. And let's mind you, not a lot of people don't like alcohol, and a lot of people are allergic to alcohol. So you're adding so much alcohol into the cake, definitely the cake is already having that alcohol content, so it might affect one or two people that is allergic to alcohol. So for me, I don't know of you, but for me, I always drain my rising after soaking for the sake of those, because it's a public cake, it's not just for the house alone. Even it's for the house, there are some certain people who are not to take out taste alcohol. It's not really good for them, so I used to put that into consideration. So that's why I would drain and dry. Okay, how do I dry my rising? After I bring them out from the soak, you have to cover them with the bowl for weeks. So I bring them out from the liquid and I place them on a paper towel for you to drain down a little bit, at least drain down. It might not be all, but at least to drain down. Then I dry them up, then I will use them for my cake. So that is that for the theory aspect. Now let's go to the practical aspect. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. If you have anything to add, anything to minus, please add it to the comment section. So you need to also pick your rising before you add them to the bowl. Please pick your rising, because some risings will have this little stone on them. I see some of the little bakers online, they will not pick it, they'll just put it in please guys, you have to pick your rising. Okay, that's the first thing you do. You pick them before you put into a bowl. At practical aspects, guys, let's dive into the practical aspect, right? So here is my skull drum. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. You can use any one of your choice. This is what I always use. Then this is my fruits. Okay, this is 500 grams. I'm going to be using 3 of this, which is giving me 1.5 kg. Then here is my bowl to pick, as I said before, the practical side, to pick my rising before using it. Sometimes they do always have stones. So guys, as I said before, it's always, if you don't soak it, it will be hard as this. Can you hear the sound? It's hard. So imagine you soak this before using. Imagine how it will be on the cake. It's going to absorb the whole nutrient of the cake, and the cake will end up being hard, and itself will be a little bit still hard. See it? Do you see like this? But when you soak it with plumber, with the juice, with the drink, with the rum, sorry. So did you see? Did you see? So this is how it is. Now let's pick. I'm going to use this bowl to soak my rising. Let's go. So you see, if you are using 1.5 kg, definitely this is not enough to soak it. Here as well. This is the sachet one if you don't want to buy the bottle one. My YouTube channel is Ijaw-ere Creations. My TikTok Ijaw-ere Creations. My Facebook the same thing. So guys, please follow, like, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg in the name of God to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Ijaw-ere Creations. Ijaw-ere Creations. In my YouTube, I'm going to be dropping some tutorials on cake and trending gist, you know. And also remember, I am a baker. If you want to book me for your cake, wedding cakes, birthday cakes, anniversary cakes, I am available. You just send me a DM on my business WhatsApp, and I'm going to reply you immediately with different samples, or you do one you want to give to me, and I promise you I'm going to deliver. I deliver. Yes, I deliver well. My service is smooth. Okay, so for your cakes, please inbox me. And also I'm going to be dropping baking techniques on my YouTube. Most things will be on my YouTube. Okay, so guys, run to your YouTube and search Ijaw-ere Creations. Subscribe to it. I'll be there, and I'm going to be dropping videos. And also guys, remember, I am a baker also. So don't forget, my name is Ijaw-ere Creations. You can find me on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. See you in my next video. Thank you.